Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You will delete photos from your iPhone by removing them from iCloud so changes sync back to the phone. First, confirm iCloud Photos is active on the iPhone. This is required. Next, sign in to iCloud. Com using your Apple ID or open iCloud for Windows and enable Photos Sync. Make sure two-factor authentication is set and your iPhone is on Wi-Fi. Once done, open the Photos section on iCloud. We start removing images there, because that deletion propagates to the device. From iCloud Photos on the PC, select the images or albums to remove, use Shift or Control to pick ranges quickly. Then hit Delete or the trash icon. That action sends items to recently deleted, which still counts as storage until cleared. To ensure they vanish from your iPhone, open Recently Deleted in iCloud and choose Delete All or permanently remove selected items. Make sure you really want them gone, because emptying Recently Deleted immediately frees iCloud space and removes files from all synced devices. After permanently deleting from iCloud, give devices time to sync. Open Photos on the iPhone and scroll to confirm removal. If images still appear, toggle Wi-Fi or restart the phone so iCloud can reconcile changes, and sign out then back into iCloud on the PC if needed. Also check Settings Photos to confirm iCloud Photos remains enabled. One key troubleshooting tip: clear Recently Deleted on both iCloud and the iPhone. Lingering copies are usually there, and clearing them finishes the job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.